Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this demonstration, I'm gonna show you how to install Audacity, the sound editing software. So you can record your voice and you can mix up for the DJ purpose. You can use very good software. So let me open the Google, type Audacity download. Okay, this is the official website, the audacityteam.org. Then I'm gonna click the downloads. So you will get the website. You can download which kind of operating system you are using, so Windows or Mac or Linux. So I'm gonna select the Windows operating system. In my case, I'm gonna select 64-bit because my operating system is 64-bit. So check out your operating system, which one you're using. So I'm gonna download exe, and this is the exe file which I download from the website. I'm gonna right click and run as administrator, and now the installation going to start. Okay, so click on OK button and next. This is the path the installation file is going to save. Click next and install and click finish button. And now you can see Audacity installation completed. The version which I'm using, Audacity 3.3.3. okay, so this is very good software for recording your voice and mix up the music for the DJ purpose. Everything you can do. So for the testing purpose, I'm gonna show you one audio file. I select file. This is the audio file which I am import. Now you can see.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so I can record and select the second track, add stereo track. Okay, so the second track I'm gonna record. So before recording, the gain reduced 15.0, and then shortcut on the keyboard Shift plus R, or else you can select the record button. So I'm gonna start recording. Hello guys and welcome back to the Tech Glob YouTube channel. In this demonstration, I'm gonna show you how to edit the Audacity recording track and add music. So let's do it. And this recorded track, there is no background music, so we can add background music. I just simply drag this track, the middle of the first track, which is music. Okay, so I just drag it. The first track is very high volume, so I need to adjust the sound, otherwise this recorded sound will not hear properly. So I'm gonna reduce the gain, the music track -23. This I can add -10. Then let's play. Hello guys and welcome back to the Tech Glob YouTube channel. In this demonstration, I'm gonna show you how to edit the Audacity recording track and add music. Okay, so let's do it. The recording track is playing smoothly because we have adjust the volume, and also this recording track, if you have any noise or any wrong recording, you can simply delete with the help of selection tool. I'm gonna remove this portion. Okay, so you want exact remove the portion, you just select the zoom button and continuously press, or else you can just press on the control button on the keyboard and simply scroll down point by point. You can select, then you can easily delete. In this recording track, I'm going to delete the portion. Let me play first. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so let's do it. The word I'm gonna remove from the recording track. I'm gonna select the selection tool, press on the keyboard control button and scroll the mouse. You can see the track is expanding, and also you have options. Just press shift key you can see the arrow. Simply drag which portion you want to delete. I'm gonna delete this portion, okay, from 2.32. The end portion is 2.34. okay, simply just delete the keyboard button. This will go. And also this track you can save as a Audacity file. In the future, if you want to edit or add a new track or any kind of editing, you can use as a Audacity file. Let me save this file first. Select file and save project, and save project as, and choose the destination where you want to save. I'm gonna save in the desktop, and the name of the project 1, and see the file extension is .aup3, and simply save. Now after save, I'm just closing this software, and this is the file which I save right now, the project 1, and simply you can open the software, and the same what we done the project we will get. On the music track area, I need to make a silent the particular portion, so I need to select the track first and press Ctrl key and expand the track exact where you want to remove or silent. I just press the shift key, then simply drag, okay, and then select generate options and click silent and click generate. Now the particular area is silent, okay, so when you play, the area will play without background music. Let me just play this area, whether we can hear the background music or not. The Audacity recording track and add music. That's it. Without background music, that track is playing. The music track, I'm gonna split two different clip, and we can adjust the volume, the difference we can check. Okay, so I just select the area and right click, and here is the option Control I, or you can simply click split clip, okay, and on the top you can simply move the two different track is separated, okay, and I'm going to reduce the volume the second track, and we can check the difference between first and second track, the sound, okay. So I just select the envelope tools, the mouse icon changed, simply drag down, press the Control button, and you can expand, decrease or increase your sound effect, and then just play. Now you see sound is increasing now. Finally, this project I'm going to save as a MP3 format, and select file, click on the export, and here are the list of extension, the MP3 format, Word format, OGG, audio. You can choose which kind of format you needed. So I'm gonna click MP3. I'm going to save the file in the desktop and type then click save. Metadata tag, you can edit the artist name, track title and album title, anything you can do here. On the desktop, I just save this file, double click, and we can play this audio track. Hello guys, and welcome back to the Tech Blob YouTube channel. In this demonstration, I'm gonna show you how to edit the. If you like this demonstration, please do the comments in my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share, subscribe the YouTube channel. See you in the next video.